Hello guys, welcome back to Job and Tech Updates YouTube channel. So before getting into today's video, if you have visited our YouTube channel for the first time, please do subscribe our channel for all the latest job updates and SAP HANA and S4 HANA tutorials. So now without any further delay, let's get into today's video. So guys, today again we're back with the multiple job openings from multiple MNCs. So firstly, let's see what is there from Accenture. So guys, it's a very good opportunity which is a PPSM new associate reporting position from Accenture for both freshers and experienced. So you'll get posted in a Bangalore location once you get hired for this position, and any graduate like BE or BTech or ME or MTech or BSc, BCom, so any graduate is eligible to apply for this position. And either you can apply it as a fresher, or if you have any relevant experience in the same field of up to 1 year, then also you're good to apply for this position. So all 2022 and 23 graduates can apply for this role. And you can expect up to a 3 lakh per annum for this position as a fresher and up to 5 lakh per annum for experienced. So coming to your skills, so you should have a good data analysis and interpretation skills and Microsoft Excel. So you should be proficient in Microsoft Excel and data visualization, and you should be able to manage a multiple stakeholders in this position. And also it's good if you have some knowledge on Microsoft Power BI as well. So coming to your job role, so guys, here mainly the associate has to work on daily reports that are required by a senior manager, and you have to help them in delivering the requirements in timely and accurate manner with the business insights. So you should have the ability to transform those into visualized tools and databases. So here mainly you have to work on Microsoft Excel for all this data management and reporting, and you have to leverage the platform in order to perform various calculations like making a pivot tables using graphing tools and make macros using Visual Basic. So you should be proficient in Microsoft Excel in order to manage all this process. And guys, here mainly your interaction will be with your direct supervisor, and also you'll be given detailed instructions on all the tasks that you have to carry out during your work. So you also might have to work in rotational shifts if required based on your business requirement, for which you'll be paid some good shift allowances as well. So any graduate can apply for this position from 2022 and 23 batch. So just don't miss this opportunity if you are looking for these kind of non-technical roles from MNCs like Accenture. So that's a very quick information about this position. So apply it as soon as possible if you are interested in this. And now let's see one more position from Accenture. So guys, this is one more open position from Accenture for IT help desk role. So for both freshers and experienced can apply for this role, and your job location would be a Bangalore. So coming to other details, your designation would be IT Customer Service New Associate, and any graduate like a BE, BTech or ME or MTech or BSc, BCom. So any graduate is eligible to apply for this position, and you can apply it as a fresher, or if you have any earlier experience up to 1 year, then also you're good to apply for this position. So all 2022 and 23 graduates can apply for this role. So coming to your responsibilities. So here you have to assist your customer in handling all the queries, like you have to resolve the customer queries and handle the escalations and take the complaints of the dissatisfied customers, and you have to work on them and give the best resolutions at the end of the day. And you have to work on as part of the IT help desk team, and you have to assess the applications related technical issues, and you have to respond to the incidents that are reported by your customers through voice interaction or through other email or web tickets. So you have to work on providing a technical assistance on the use of specific systems like software or infrastructure, and you have to troubleshoot all the technical problems. So you have to respond to all your customer queries and provide the resolutions on time. So that's about your role for this position, and you'll be given a detailed instructions about your work, and you have to interact with your direct supervisor for any queries. And also you might have to work in rotational shifts based on your business requirement. So any graduate can apply for this position. So this is a non-technical position basically from Accenture. So if you are interested in these kind of non-technical roles, just apply it as soon as possible. So now let's see what's the other position. So guys, it's a great opportunity from Liventen's company for both freshers and experienced, which is a permanent work from home, and for which you can expect up to 4.5 lakh per annum for a fresher. So this is an application developer position which is a permanent work from home for both freshers and experienced. So your designation would be application developer, and it's a permanent work from home opportunity. So coming to your uh, criteria, so you should have a strong communication skills, both verbal and written, and you should have a minimum exposure to MS SQL and .NET and exposure with its architecture. So you should have completed a minimum of 4 year related or advanced degree in the related field. So any graduate can apply for this position, and if you have any previous experience, that would be an added advantage. And you can claim other benefits from this living test company like medical insurance, parental insurance, retirement benefits, gratuity, and other incentives. So that's about your eligibility criteria. And coming to your responsibilities, so you have to develop all Microsoft ASP.NET applications, .NET components, web services, and enterprise service components, and you have to maintain SQL database schemas and scripts, including use triggers and stored procedures, and deploy .NET systems to various production and pre-production environments and troubleshoot the issues if there are any. And also you have to work on support jQuery code and implementing the complex code structures in both VB.NET and C hash. So basically you should have a very good knowledge on SQL databases and .NET applications. So guys, it's a pure developer role from Leventis, which is a great opportunity because it's a permanent work from home for both freshers and experienced. So all 2022 and 23 graduates can apply for this position, and also any experienced candidates can apply for this role. So if you are interested in this kind of permanent work from home opportunities, so just don't miss this position. Apply it right away before it gets expired. And now let's see one more work from home opportunity from Leventis. So guys, this is one more great opportunity from Leventis, which is again a permanent work from home for all freshers, and for which you can expect up to 4.5 lakh per annum. So your designation would be a quality analyst. So they are looking for freshers. All freshers from 2022 and 23 can apply for this position, and it's a permanent work from home opportunity from Leventis. So coming to your eligibility criteria, all BE or BTech bachelor degree students in computer science, information technology, or MCA candidates can apply for this position. So it's good if you have some QA certification on test methodologies, or ISTQB certification, or any other relevant internship or coursework which is related to software testing, would be an added advantage for your profile to get shortlisted quickly. So you should have a strong knowledge on Java programming and software testing concepts, and excellent communication skills, both verbal and written, and also you should be able to work in a second or night shift, for which you will be paid some good shift allowances. And you can claim all these benefits from Leventis, which is a medical policy, a parental insurance, retirement benefits, gratuity, and other incentives. So that's about your eligibility criteria. And coming to your responsibilities, so as a tester, you have to collaborate with the development team in order to understand the requirements, and you have to design the test cases based on their requirement, and you have to perform a functional regression and performance testing once the test cases are ready. So you have to maintain and execute the automated test scripts using Selenium, which means you should have a good knowledge on Selenium as well. And you have to analyze the test results once testing is done, and you have to work on those defects and issues. So you have to work on improving the test automation frameworks, and also you should be able to write and execute the SQL commands as part of this testing. So you have to stay up to date with with the industry in this software testing and automation. So guys, that's a very quick information about this position from Leventis. So this is a tester role where only 40% or 30% of the coding is involved. So you just have to understand the code and perform the testing. So nowhere there will be no need to write the code. So if you are interested in this kind of tester roles from these MNCs, apply it as soon as possible. And also it's a permanent work from home opportunity for all freshers. So just don't miss this opportunity, guys. Apply it right away as soon as the link is provided in the description. So now let's see what's the other position. So guys, it's an associate software engineer position from Wolters Kluwer company for minimum experienced candidates. So this has been posted around 6 days ago, and it's a full-time opportunity from Wolters Kluwer company, and you'll get posted in a Pune location once you get hired for this position. So now let's quickly see what is your eligibility criteria. So you should have a BS or MS degree in computer science or any other relevant field, and you should have a minimum 2+ years of IT experience and a strong understanding of network protocols and security principles, and a good experience with the Azure Active Directory or Ping Fitret as authorization server, and authentication or authorization framework or protocols such as authorization to OIDC, LDAP, and SAML protocols. And you should be able to tackle all the external and internal customers, and strong communication skills, both verbal and written. So coming to your responsibilities, so you should be having a good exposure to these protocols like SAML or the an OpenID Connect, and onboarding of the applications to SS4 systems. And also you have to understand and implement the platform services based on functional, technical, and user requirements. And you have to look for ways to automate the onboarding new client applications to ping, federate, and assure. And you have to work on a Kibana platform, so you should have a good exposure to it to check the logging and other monitoring process. So guys, that's a very quick information about this associate software engineer position for minimum experience to candidates. So if you are interested in this role, just apply it as soon as possible before it gets filled. And you can expect up to a 10 lakh per annum for this position from a Wolters Kluwer company. So now let's see what's the other position. So guys, it's a campus recruiter position from Indiamart for both freshers and experienced. So coming to your eligibility criteria, any graduate can apply for this role, or MBA or PhDM or any HR or any previous experience if you have can apply for this position. You should have a 70% of aggregate in your 10th and 12th and master's degree in management, and up to 2 years experience to candidates can apply for this position, or even freshers can apply for this. So coming to your responsibilities, uh, you should be able to maintain a good relationship with the college coordinators for conducting effective campus drives. So you should have to do initial screening of the campus candidates and conduct the interviews with the shortlisted candidates, and you will be involved in onboarding the candidates by ensuring the complete documentation. So you have to build a strong connections with your business team, and sometimes you have to travel with them to conduct the campus drives. And you will be involved in a webinars, a pre-placement talks, or any other contest. So guys, you should have a very good communication skills, both verbal and written, for this position. So nothing more than that about your skill set. Any graduate can apply for this role, but you should be able to meet this eligibility criteria here, where you should have 70% of aggregate in your both 10th and 12th standards. So both freshers and experienced can apply for this role. So if you are interested in this, apply it as soon as possible. So now let's see what's the other position. So guys, if you are looking for internship opportunities, you are at the right place. So you can just take up this opportunity from Baker Hughes. So it's an earlier career trainee position from this company, and it has been posted recently, which is on October 13th. So this is basically a 6 months internship program where you can improve your technical skills and soft skills, and also it might become a permanent based on your performance. So basically it's a 6 months internship program for all freshers. So coming to your eligibility criteria, you should be a recently graduated with a bachelor's degree from an accredited university in India, and you should be graduated within the last 12 months in any of these subjects like computer science or digital interaction design, mathematical engineering, electronic and telecommunication engineering, management engineering, or any other courses which are related to software engineering, data science, machine learning, or LOT, cybersecurity, blockchains. So you should have a strong communication skills, both verbal and written. So that's about your eligibility criteria. So if you are graduated within the last 12 months in any of these streams, you can just apply for this internship, which is of 6 months duration. So coming to your responsibilities, so here you can just complete the internal projects by delivering the task assigned to you by your AL. So you have to build out the right technical solutions using your skills, and you have to understand the business improvements and deliver the required outcomes by collaborating with all the cross-functional teams. So you can learn internal software, and you can assist with the completion of the projects and tasks, and you have to apply health and safety environment standards and procedures in situations to ensure the compliance is maintained. So that's about your responsibility. So it's a very good opportunity to learn all the technical skills and improve your soft skills. So guys, if you're interested in this internship opportunity from this company, apply it right away before it gets filled. So now let's see what's the other position. So guys, it's a very good opportunity from Techmahindra for technical service executive position, which has been posted around 4 days ago. So just apply it as soon as possible, as there are higher number of applicants for this position, as this is a non-technical role, and they're going to offer a 3 to 5.5 lakh per annum, which is a very decent package for this non-technical position. So only freshers can apply for this position, and also any graduate can apply for this role. So all graduates from 2022 and 23 can apply for this, and also 2021 can give a try for this position. So there are a good number of vacancies, which is 100 vacancies, and you'll be posted in Hyderabad location, and you'll be offered from 3 to 5.5 lakh per annum. So coming to your responsibilities, this is basically an voice process role. So all only freshers can apply for this, and also undergraduate with experience also can apply for this. So you'll be have to work in a 5 days in a week, and you'll have a rotational week off. So you have to work in 24 by 7 shifts, so which you'll be paid some good shift allowances, and you should have an excellent communication skills with a good technical knowledge, and also you should be able to do some Wi-Fi troubleshooting or work on internet troubleshooting. And your location would be Hyderabad Bahadurpalli, and also they're going to provide a cab facilities for this position. So both the sides you'll have a cab facility, and if you are interested in this role, you can just mail your CV to this HR mail ID, AK 00863457 at the rate of techmahindra.com. So you can just contact this person Ashish Kaushal from Techmahindra if you are interested in this position. So guys, apply it right away if you are interested in these kind of non-voice roles for a very decent package. So guys, that's it for today about these multiple openings from multiple MNCs. So if you are interested in any of these roles, apply it right away, and also you can refer to other coding and non-coding related jobs in our channel, which are listed according to the playlist and which are still open from long ago. So please do check those as well and apply if you are eligible right away before they get filled. And guys, if you find this video informative, please do like, share and subscribe our channel for all the latest job updates and SAP HANA and S4 HANA tutorials. Thank you.